Capstone Assignment Number 6: Perspectives of Climate Mitigation. For Capstone Assignment 6, I will be analyzing perspectives of climate change mitigation and how those perspectives can be a threat to our environment if climate change is not taken seriously by those in power. In order to limit the potential damage that warming temperatures can inflict on our planet, governments around the world will need to work in tandem to change their behaviors and attitudes in respect to taking steps to supporting preventative measures that reduce global temperatures. According to the Climate Science Special Report, limiting the global mean temperature increase through emissions reductions or adapting to the impacts of a greater than 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius warmer would have been acknowledged as a severely challenging task by the international science and policy communities. Governments around the world will need to take steps to reduce emissions, and unfortunately, the United States has not been the most progressive country to combat climate change and sign on to global agreements for emissions reductions. The mindset towards climate change of the current U.S. presidential administration is a dangerous one, as they regard it in a partisan political context rather than one of survival for our species and the natural ecosystems around the world. There are many communities in the United States that either are or will be affected by rising global temperatures and rising sea levels. However, the government does not seem to take these threats seriously. The U.S. is a wealthy nation and has the ability to push for positive change in the battle to combat climate change. However, this is likely not to happen until there is a change in leadership in Washington, D.C., and a change in leadership seems to be the only viable solution for U.S. government involvement at this point in time.